Sierra found a bird, and I'm gonna touch it. It's trying to eat me. Will it hurt me? It doesn't hurt. Whoa. I'm scared it'll hurt me. Oh my god, it pecked at me. Fuck you, nigger. His bites don't really hurt. Yeah. I gotta wash my hands after this. I touched it.
You're not even supposed to be touching it, you ass.
Why?
Because they have like diseases. Make it quack again because that's what they stop you autistic idiot. Stop.
Don't run. It went poop. It ran away and pooped. See, it pooped. It ran away and hurted. I'm having fun.
Where's the turd?
Right there. It's not really a turd. It's like a poop. Ah, I stepped in that weird shit. No, my buddy. You're my best friend. I'm trying to talk to your daughter thing. Your birdie. I like to.
Quack.
Where are you going? What's wrong? What's wrong? Are you okay? Here, I'll help you. Here you go. Here you go. He's running. He stumbled. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love watching it run. Where'd it go? There it is. Right there. I'm sorry.
Make it quack.
I touched it.
Don't touch it!
Why?
Because it has diseases on it.
But it's cute.
Still.
It pecked at me.
No duh.
I like it when it pecks at me. It should peck on my dick.